Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Philips Hue motion detection and automations, complete guide step by step clearly. To disable Philips Hue motion detection, begin by opening the Philips Hue app on your smartphone. Ensure that you're logged into your account. Navigate to the Rooms or Zones section of the app. Select the room or zone where the motion detection is set up. Once inside, look for the Settings option at the top right corner. Tap on Settings to access the room's configurations. Scroll down to find the Motion Sensor option. Select Motion Sensor to view its settings. Here, you will see the status of motion detection. To turn it off, toggle the switch to the off position. Confirm the action if prompted by the app. Next, to disable automations associated with the motion sensor, return to the Settings menu. Look for the Automations section in the main app menu. Tap on Automations to view all active automations. Identify any automation linked to the motion sensor. Select the automation you wish to disable. Tap on the toggle switch to turn it off. Repeat for any other automations you want to deactivate. After making all changes, exit the Settings menu. Your Philips Hue motion detection and automations are now successfully disabled. Feel free to test your changes to ensure everything is functioning as desired. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.